Jan, thank you so much for helping with the chapter books. This is good because right now I'm going to try to model for you what to do, and that'll make sure that I know what to do too. So, what you can do, oh, am I on mute or am I working? Hopefully this is working. Um, this is reading in math class, and you can go to the whole group reading folder. And at the bottom, I made this unpublished folder that you could still get into since you're admin for the chapter book. And then I have a chapter book assignment and a comprehension assignment. So if you start with just the chapter book assignment up here, settings, edit, that's where you can put it in. And you're going to be adding links to the chapter book itself. So then if I go to unique learning systems, come on, what's happening? I hope this is working, Jan. There we go. So you go to the 3 lines, monthly lessons, make sure it's on November, PDF, and then you go to the chapter book, so chapter 1, and I just save all the levels as one link. So once this PDF loads, okay, so then I scroll down to the chapter book. And at school, we separate the levels, obviously, for each student, but on Schoology, I just chunk it all into one. So I guess now we're just going for chapter 1, so we can skip the cover, because that's how it's been going. So chapter 1 right here starts on page 13, and then I scroll to the bottom of all the levels, because I'm putting it in one link. So it starts on page 13 and ends on page 30. So then I go to print 13 through 30. Remember 13 through 30. Change to save as PDF. Actually, I'm not on my Chromebook, so save to Google Drive. Well, this might look a little different because I'm on my home computer, but save as PDF at your school computer should go to your Google Drive. So let's see if that works at home. 13 through 30, right? So pages, I'm going to say 13 through 30. And that should be all of the chapter levels. Perfect. Save. Now this is saving to my computer itself. Again, this should be to your Google Drive, but I'm going to call this November chapter 1 so I can find it. And now that is saved, so if you go back to Schoology, I'm so sorry, this is going to look different on my home computer. So let me try something else and see if I can do this. So save to Google Drive. Let's just see if this will work for me. That's how I would do it. 13 through 30. Please let me model this. Come on, computer. But when this saves to your Google Drive, and thing is, I'm not positive it's my home drive. I'm sorry, this is totally different because I'm at home. So I'm going to go to my personal email. It's probably my personal drive. On your Chromebook, this shouldn't happen. But same thing, you're going to find it. Right click to share. And then change to anyone with the link can view. Copy the link. And then in here, you paste the link right there and then call this chapter 1, 3 levels. Ta-da! And then you would go repeat that for chapters 2, chapter 3, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if anything's weird going to happen because this is my personal drive, so I'm actually not going to keep it on there. But once you do that, you would hit Save Changes. I'm going to exit out this because I'm on my personal computer, but Save Changes, and then there should be 6 different links for each of the chapters. And then for the comprehension, I want a multiple choice link and a fill in the blank link. So same thing, you go to Settings, Edit. But when you go here now, this is back in Unique Learning Systems, the comprehension comes at the end. So here's fill in the blank. That's going to be pages 30 through 37. But you also have to get the word bank, so 30 through 37. And also here's the word bank, 47. So this time, 30 through 37, 30 through 37, comma, and then, no, I forgot that word bank page. What page is that? And then was it 47? Gee, and I have to look again. I don't know if this is helpful or not. 30 through 37, and yeah, it was page 47. So, just like that. 30 to 37 and 47, then that should save all those pages in one document for the fill in the blank. I might be doing this a little wrong, but that's the concept right there. And then you'd save that and make sure anyone with the link can view, and then put it in the assignment here. Hopefully this is a little bit helpful. I don't know. Sorry, some things went wrong, but the moral of the story is whole group reading. At the bottom, unpublished unit. If you're adding the chapter book, you do this, November chapter book, settings, edit, and then you save the pages as a PDF for chapter 1, make a link, put the shareable link here, and call it chapter 1 and 3 levels, then repeat that for each of the chapters, and then if you're feeling bold, you can do comprehension too. Make sure to save changes. Thank you so much, Jan. You are awesome.